It is a winter wonderland here in Minnesota. I don't have much to say about this. I'm just gonna throw my drone up in the air and fly. But look at all this snow. Look at these big flakes. This is beautiful. Let's check it out. I'm not snotty. All right, let's do this. This is gonna be fun. Oh my god. Solo reelers. Oh, just a hair shy. Bummer. Maybe there'll be another one. If only I could be so lucky. All right. And I can't really see because I have water on the lens now. Nope, not working. Alright, so I'll have to land, put in another battery. Got a little bit of sight. Not very much, and it's getting worse. Whoops. Woo, it is snowing out here. I know everyone's having to drive in this bullshit and it's no fun and it's dangerous and stuff, but it just looks beautiful out here. Hope you all liked the footage. Catch you later. Cool. That was a pretty good flight. Hey, thanks for watching. Check you later.